Good morning, friends. I think, as rightly said by my friend Pravinji, that due to the all three associations are busy with the government of India, so the collaboration has already started and regulatory has already started acting very fast on this, and so we have hope, high hope. So starting from here, dignitary on dais, my friend from industries, lot of consultant of marketing, manufacturing, data mining, and R&D. So very important people are here. Thank you very much. And today morning when I was here in for the session, I want to tell that in spite of having the leaders are not here, but the intelligent people are here. So this session is going to create a very high energy among industries. And the starting from Dr. Manish on R&D, that was a wonderful start. And then the word coin ICC. It is really Chandrasekhar made my day wonderful, and taking it forward from here. Now, I do not have anything for you because you have all the information of all these data, etc. with you. But I will try to give you the some things which is, I think, today's main subject is of driving the sustainability with the balancing the productivity. This sentence is very important. China started his work on it before 10 years, and today they are enjoying the fruits. So, we are number third in manufacturing today in world for agrochemical and want to be a number two in coming 5 years. Then we have to work on this, on driving the sustainability with the balancing the productivity. Because in today's globe, environment is important, energy cost is important, and also the reverse engineering is very important. So the production, balancing the productivity. If we work to balance the production by cost optimization, which China did, then to do the balancing the our cost, we need to reduce our raw material consumption, energy consumption, water consumption, effluent output. So, if we work on all these three things, our goal of our government, goal of our society, which everybody is blaming agrochemical, but to doing this thing, if we work very hard for sustainability, it will help us to reduce our cost, and by reducing the cost, we will be competitive into the international market, and in all the countries, everybody trusts India. All the countries are trusting India a lot than our competitor, which we all knows. So trust is there. Now we have to deliver that trust fulfillment. So to trust fulfillment, we have to work hard. We have a good talent of people with the university. Days past, we were not paying a good salary. But today, we are not only paying the good salary for the marketing and sales. Today, Indian companies are paying a very good amount of salary for the R&D people also, and to retain the people in the industry for the manufacturing, which will definitely help in coming days to strengthen our position into the international market. Lot numbers were churned about the market, total market, export potentials, and the importance of agrochemicals. I want to just add something from the different angle, that land is not going to be manufactured. Shrinkage of productive land will be there due to the urbanizations across the globe, not only in India. So we have to produce more for, I think, more than 7.5 billion people. And India also we have 1.4 billion people, and the same quantity of arable lands is available. So we have to increase the productivity. So to increase the productivity, I think good quality of seeds, good quality of agrochemicals, and good quality of soil. On all these three fronts, agriculture university is doing great work. Industry is putting the new products into the basket for the agriculture in India, and we have seen the result. I am a farmer's son. My father, Meghmani, first word is my father word, second word is my mother name. So Meghmani, Meghji Bhai was a farmer. Our agriculture was a loss making till before 10 years. In last 5 years, people have hope. They have enough money to spend on agriculture practices, good practices. Because now due to the irrigation, government support across the India, water's availability is there. I think people were growing 2 season crop. Now there is a possibility of 2.5, and for the maize, people are taking the good variety of seeds and they are producing the 3 crops in a year. So which was not the place before 10 years. So the now kheti is a profitable, it is like a business. And at a farm level, the consumption of FMCG good is increasing. How? That is due to money. And money comes from agriculture. So it's a profitable business. So some content of that money comes for the agriculture practices. And that's why our future is bright. But we have to regain our trust with the good quality of product. And here the regulatory support is coming into the picture from the government of India. They made the processes little bit fast, but for exports we need to have little bit more speed to get the registration. And for the Indian market, I think as rightly said by Chandrasekhar ji, that still 50% of our requirement is being sourced from China. We have enough capacity build up in last 5 years. After 2020, all Indian chemical manufacturer has spent huge money to building the capacity. but we are not able to compete against China. Now it is not only the reason that our chemistry is not good. Say, Indian government is allowing 100% 100% Chinese company in India to register and trade the product into the India. It is not the good way. If they want to support Indian manufacturing investment, if you are not able to give us the PLI, okay, but at least support with the regulatory systems. Say, why I am talking about in Brazil and America, now they suspect that Chinese companies are registering the product with one source. When product comes, there is no authenticity that it will come from the same source of manufactured company. So be like a Japanese and Korean. Trust our own manufacturers where you can go any day and check in their laboratory that what type of raw material they use and support them. Future is bright. All my colleagues have spoken on numbers. I am not giving any numbers because everybody knows that we are going to be number 2 country. But because it will be our entrepreneurship. Indian people are entrepreneur and they will grab the number 2 position. But if the government will support, then the speed will be much higher. Because it was not the case in past, domestic demand was not too good, and that's why we were not investing. But when the agriculture become profitable, domestic market is there, so everybody is investing in good chemistry, good product line, and good packaging. So I think that word ICC, intent is there. And Indian companies are understood because now all Indian companies, majority of them are in exports to some extent. And when we are in exports, everybody is giving the product on credit, and we are putting our money on credit when we have faith in our product. So I don't have any doubt that we will be number 2 into the world market. And Indian market is going to expand because now agriculture is profiting business. And also government is supporting, procuring the materials at the MSP price. And in past, it was only used for food. Now it is also used for industry. Ethanol is I think we all know that ethanol blending with the fuel, it was 5%, now it is 10%, government is targeting 20%. So ethanol, either it will be from broken rice, from maize, or from sugarcane. So all these 3 crops, paddy, maize, or sugarcane, which is going to be a very important crop in our basket. So our future is bright. Our intention for all manufacturing agrochemical companies has invested heavily in last 5 years to make a global capacity. Only to make a trio, collaboration. And I think Chandrasekharji has coined good word, collaboration in R&D. And Praveenji has already told us that we took the technology from IFCO. It was a patented technology. Then they ask for the guarantee, bank guarantee. We provided bank guarantee. That is a nanotechnology. Only IFCO could have done it. But by tagging only the product, market cannot expand. In foreign, they were not strong, so they use Meghmani as a tools to expand the market. We have seen a better result in America and in Brazil than in India because they use the product in a right manner and at a right time. And now in Europe, they talk that here we take fertilizer as a degrading the soil quality. In Europe, they see urea, nano urea as a protein enhancer. And they are putting the product in a different way, marketing style. Cepex is a good in marketing style, always in India and in abroad. Technically, we sell the product, they market the product. So I learned a lot of good practices from Chaudhary Saab, your CMD. So the collaboration by each other. So Godrej Agrovet is too big a company. If they expand, they have a lot of things to do. So joint venture between the country, between the company for R&D, it is the need of the day. I think lot had been delivered the talk, and I think throughout the day we are going to get lot of knowledge. So thank you very much for inviting me on this desk and to share my views with you. Again, thank you very much. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.